There we go. Yeah, I'm about to do a review on my new camera I just bought on eBay. It's 1080p Camcorder by Barotronics. I guess I'm doing the first review on this excellent 1080p HD camera. Boy, look at that, man. Horrible. Oh man, it came in a metal box. What the hell? Look at this. Ain't that nice, Alien? Now I'm going to open this up for my friend Alien Jones. Look at there, ladies and gentlemen. Software. Oh my God, it's so nice. Oh, look at the little cute pouch. Alien. Ooh. Boy, this looks like a dang... It looks like a lens, but wow, this is nice, man. See that there? And they sent me for $100. Came with the cables. There you see them. I guess this must be a charger. And oh my God! 2 batteries. 1, 2. Wow. How can you get a better deal than that? Now what are they saying in this box over here? Hobby services. Big old box. Oh man, Futaba sent me my S9252 Turbo. Yep. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Now we're going to go out here and try this incredible new camera here so Mr. Alien Jones and the rest of you YouTube viewers can have a look. How do you open this thing? Wow, isn't this nice? Does the door flip? Don't look like a flip door. Nope. Oh yeah, it does. Oh, okay. That's cool. You like that? Like that? Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna charge the battery and I'll be doing a video soon with the Super Shot HD. Thank you for watching.